Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order in McDonald's application. So in order to do this, first of all, open McDonald's application on your mobile phone. Now, in the application, you'll have to first of all make sure you're logged in with your account. If you don't have an account, simply sign up on the application and you'll be on McDonald's homepage. In the application, you'll have to simply click on Mac Delivery option and it is going to open up this page. Here, choose your location and click on Order Now. After this, you'll have to simply add your address on the next step and click on the add button under any of the items that you want to order. Now you can customize this order anyhow you want. You can choose whether you want ketchup or complimentary ketchup. You can choose to add another elements for your order like cheese, double cheese, but make sure you know that it is paid and click on add to cart button. After you click on add to cart, choose another item that you want to add to cart, click on add, select add to cart and select view cart. After this, you'll have to scroll down, click on apply store offer, enter a promo code if you have any. If you don't have, go back and click on make payment button. After you click on make payment, you'll be navigated to another page where you'll have to just complete the payment by using your payment credentials or any of the payment application available, and you would have successfully ordered in McDonald's application by doing this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.